Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Alfredo sauce, and this is going to be a copycat recipe to Olive Garden's Alfredo sauce. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the ingredients. Over here I have 1 tablespoon of finely minced garlic, 1.5 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of butter, some salt and pepper, half a cup of each Parmesan cheese and Romano cheese. I went ahead and freshly grated it. It tastes better when it's fresh, but you can also use pre-shredded Parmesan or Romano. And then over here I have 1.5 cups of heavy cream and 1.5 cups of whole milk. And now I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So in a pot, I'm gonna go ahead and melt my butter. And then once it melts, I'll be adding my garlic. And I'm gonna be melting this on a medium heat. Once the butter is melted, I'm gonna go ahead and add my garlic, and I'm gonna cook this for about a minute on medium heat. And after about a minute of cooking the garlic, now I'm going to go ahead and just add the rest of my ingredients. The heavy whipping cream, the milk, the salt and pepper, the Romano cheese, the Parmesan cheese. So it's going to be half a cup of Parmesan and half a cup of Romano. So 1 cup total of cheese. And then I'm also going to be adding my flour. And once I mix everything together, I'm gonna go ahead and put the heat on medium-high heat and bring this to a simmer, and then I'm gonna be mixing it occasionally until it thickens up. Alrighty, and this is how thick it should be after about 6 to 7 minutes of simmering. And now I'm gonna go ahead and serve this with some fettuccine. You could serve this with any type of pasta that you like, or even with some breadsticks. That's it for this Alfredo sauce. This is the final look of this dish. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe.